Hello everybody, this is Goose7732 or Zachary Willard. I'm here with another challenge lock by Cajunlockpick. It's number 70. Here's the key. Alright, use monkey paw, top of the keyway. There we go. Go to the back. Click on 6, it looks like. Click on 5. And then click on 6. Small click on 2, or no, it's 3. Click on 1, some rotation. Let's go back to the back. Oh, a little tickle back there. Something moved. There's another click. I think that was 4. Let's see. Back to the front. I think it's one of these pins back here. It just needs a little bit of movement, probably. Okay. Let's see which pin is causing the problem. Feels like pin 4. I'm not getting any counter rotation. Oh, wait. Three, maybe 4. Alright, what's going on back here? One small click. Where are you at? 6. 5. Let's see. Should be. come off this lid right here and find the right pin. I'm pretty sure it's one of 4 or 5 because I seem a little low. Alright, I'm gonna reset. Seems like 1 and 2 are set. 3 seems set. And there it is. All right, just took a little bit of extra finagling. Let's take this guy apart real quick. All right. Let's just lock this back up. It is unlocked. Just lock it back up. All right. Key down here. Let's set the guy over. Try to keep my hands out of the way so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just taking the screws and the tailpiece off though. Alright. Let's throw our key in. Plug follower. All right. Wow. You guys see that? All right. Let's pull the key out and let's dump these pins. Grab my tweezers. Key pin 1, got some good serrations on it. Key pin 2 is a bit taller, it's got some good serrations on it too. Number 3, and good serrations, and they left the top of it a little thinner like a post. Number 4 key pin, some light serrations like a spool. Number 5 looks standard. And number 6 is a heavily serrated tip. Alright, let's look at this core. Okay, we've got threading on 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. And then we have some over milling right there on 6 as well. Well, it looks like 6, 4, 5, and 6 a little bit, to be honest. Alright, so put that down there. Now let's pull out. Actually, I forgot to turn my light on again. Even though I do everything in a proper steps. I still forget stuff. All right, let's pull these out. Try to keep them in the proper direction. Well, there's the spring. And here's the driver. I don't think I see. It looks like it. They might have shaved it down just a little bit on its sides. Number 2 looks like a standard serrated. Number 3. Wow. Number 3 is like an upside down. Let's grab the spring for 2. Alright. Oh, there's the spring for 3. Spring. This one had to tip down. And then number 5. That one looks like a crankshaft pin that I made not too long ago that somebody came up with the idea for. Here's a spring. And here's 6. Which goes like that. And then the 6 spring. Alright. Let's do a close-up on these pins. Let's take this out real quick. Alright. Alright. So you can see one's got some serrations, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 6 were pretty interesting, and I like those drivers, especially that number 3. That's pretty nice. Alright, so let's go back. I'll put this guy down. Alright everybody, that's another challenge lock down. As always, stay legal and keep picking.